Hey guys, today I am going to show you the new arrival to my home. It is Revlon Color Stay Brow Crayon. I am going to open this. It looks like a thick crayon. Initially, I also scared to buy this, but once I started using it, believe me, I really feel the natural look. It's not too dark. At the same time, it is not too light in shade. It matches mostly with all the brow colors. We can apply this in one stroke like this, or we can go for shorter multiple strokes to achieve natural and real looking beautiful eyebrows. It actually makes my brows look thick and natural. We can use the brow brush to even out like this. Look at my brows. One good thing is it doesn't stain your skin around the brow areas, and it works like a crayon only where the hair is present, like eyebrows. Actually, I feel that this Revlon Brow Crayon is the must-have item in everyone's shelves. I hope this video is useful for you to buy good products. Please feel free to share your comments. Please like my video and subscribe my channel to watch more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.